In this video, I'll show you how to get ultra realistic graphics in GTA San Andreas on a low-end PC with just 2 GB RAM. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click on the Summer ENB and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Close tab here, right click on the game and select Open File Location. Before installing this mod, backup your San Andreas folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder. Open the copy to game folder. Turn up all these files inside the game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open the bonus mods. Open bonus mods. Turn up these two folders inside the game folder. And now find enbseries.ini. Right click, edit in Notepad. Enable pre-pause. Set this to false. Once you change this, select file and select save option. Close up here and launch the game. Using this enb.exe, right-click, show more options, send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through the newly created shortcut. You need to wait for at least 3 minutes to launch game. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.